In today's fast-paced and ever-changing world, having multiple income streams is no longer a luxury, but a necessity. Whether it's to cushion the effects of an economic downturn, save for a dream vacation, or simply increase your savings, earning extra cash can significantly improve your financial stability. Today, we'll delve into 15 easy ways to make extra cash. Each way will be explained in detail, so grab a notebook, sit back, and let's dive in. 1. Freelance work. With the digital revolution in full swing, an increasing number of companies are looking for freelance workers. This is an ideal setup if you have skills or talents that are in demand online. Web development, graphic design, writing, marketing, virtual assistants, these are just a few areas where freelance work is thriving. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer make it easy to find freelance jobs. But remember, as a freelancer, you're effectively your own business, so make sure to maintain a professional approach to all your interactions and deliver your work promptly and efficiently. 2. Online surveys and market research. Many companies are willing to pay for consumer opinions to help guide their product development and marketing strategies. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research offer payment for taking surveys and testing products. While this won't make you a millionaire overnight, it's a straightforward way to earn extra money in your free time. 3. Selling and used items. Rather than letting them collect dust, why not turn them into cash? Whether it's clothing, electronics, furniture, or collectibles, there's likely a market for it. Platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, and Depop are perfect for this purpose. Not only does this method help you declutter your living space, but it also contributes to a more sustainable circular economy. 4. Gig economy. Companies like Uber, Lyft, and TaskRabbit have revolutionized the way we think about work by offering flexible job opportunities. Whether it's driving people around, delivering food, or doing handyman work, these platforms offer various gigs that can help supplement your income. Just remember to factor in any costs associated with doing the job, like vehicle maintenance or tools. 5. Tutoring or teaching a skill. If you're particularly knowledgeable in a subject or have a skill others want to learn, consider offering tutoring services. This can be done in person or online through platforms like Chegg Tutors or VIP Kid. Whether it's teaching a language, tutoring in math, giving music lessons, or even offering cooking classes, the opportunities are endless. This not only allows you to earn extra income, but it's also a rewarding experience as you help others learn and grow. 6. Investing in stocks or cryptocurrency. While this option requires some financial literacy and a willingness to take on risk, it can be a profitable way to earn extra cash. Start by learning as much as you can about investing in the markets. Consider starting with a small investment that you're willing to lose, and always diversify your investments to manage risk. This caution should especially apply when investing in cryptocurrency, which anyone following the current developments globally even a little is aware of the risks involved. Although it must be mentioned that if you have the risk appetite and have done your research, a credible cryptocurrency can be a very lucrative investment in the long term. 7. Starting a blog or YouTube channel. If you're passionate about a particular topic and love sharing your thoughts and experiences, this could be a lucrative option. Once you've built up an audience, you can earn money through advertising, sponsored content, affiliate marketing, or even by selling your own products or services. Remember, consistency and quality content are key to growing your following. Make sure you choose a niche in which you have a fair amount of knowledge, even if you aren't an expert. It would make things much easier, especially if you want this to become a steady source of income. 8. Renting out your space. If you have an extra room in your house, or perhaps a property that's often vacant, consider renting it out. Platforms like Airbnb make it easy to connect with travelers looking for a place to stay. Or if you live in a city with limited parking, you might even consider renting out your driveway or garage for parking. Be sure to vet the people you plan to rent out to, so there are no hassles that you have to face at a later date. 9. Becoming a virtual assistant. Many businesses and entrepreneurs need help managing their daily tasks but don't have the resources or need for a full-time assistant. As a virtual assistant, you could help with tasks like managing emails, scheduling appointments, posting on social media, and more. Websites like Searchable and Belay can connect you with companies in need of virtual assistants. The most important thing needed for this is great internet connectivity, so make sure you have that before pursuing this option. 10. Testing websites and apps. Before launching a new website or app, companies need to ensure that it's user-friendly. That's where testers come in. As a tester, you'll use the website or app and provide feedback on its usability. User testing is one platform that connects testers with companies. 11. Print-on-demand products. This involves selling products like t-shirts, mugs, or canvases, where the product is made only once a customer orders it. Websites like Teespring, Zazzle, or Printful allow you to upload your designs onto various products and sell them without having to worry about inventory or shipping. 12. Affiliate marketing. This involves promoting someone else's product or service and earning a commission for each sale that comes from your referral. If you have a blog, YouTube channel, or large social media following, this could be a great option. You can find affiliate programs in almost any industry, with Amazon Associates being one of the most popular. 13. Pet sitting or dog walking. If you love animals, this could be a fun way to make extra cash. Websites like Rover connect pet sitters and dog walkers with pet owners in need of these services. 14. Personal coaching. If you're knowledgeable in areas like fitness, nutrition, career growth, or personal development, you could become a personal coach. This could involve working with clients one-on-one, creating courses, or even writing ebooks. 15. Participating in research studies. Many universities and companies pay for individuals to participate in their research studies. This could involve anything from answering survey questions to participating in a clinical trial. Check out websites like clinicaltrials.gov or respondent.io to find opportunities. There you have it, 15 easy ways to make extra cash. With some initiative and creativity, you can find numerous opportunities to bolster your income. Remember, every little bit helps when it comes to improving your financial stability. Good luck on your journey to making some extra cash. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, so we can continue to create more such content for anyone who needs help or guidance to make their lives a little better. Take care and have a great day.